Hi everyone, it's Daniella, and I'm here to, I want to say announce, but to say the winners of my giveaway. I was so excited that so many of you wanted to see my craft room and everything that, I had found doubles of some stuff, and I wanted to give it back to you for being so nice and so kind and so supportive. And I do have to go through some dies that I have to put away, and they're in a basket. So there may be more giveaways. You never know. Whoever wins has 1 week to claim their prize. A week from today to know it's the 7th. It's the 14th. Give until the 14th. Well, through the 14th. If you don't contact me and I look out by the 15th, meaning it's over at the end of the 14th. You know what I mean? Or the morning of the 15th. Because everybody lives in different time zones. You have 1 week. All you have to do is email me. My address is always in the description box. Tell me your address and I'll send out your prize sometime this week. Hopefully. But it'll be very soon. It should be today's Saturday. Oh yeah, it'll sometime this week. So, let's get this done before I jibber jabber for 3 hours. The first winner is Dances with Pam. Yay, congratulations, you won. In no specific order, all of these were randomly selected with the comment picker. I just didn't do them here because I had too many prizes. Pam, you got the pick-me-up pack with ephemera and stuff. So please email me. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. The next winner is Nilda Bonilla. You have won the Maggie Holmes balloon paper and embellishments. Congratulations, Nilda. Email me your address. I know I had it, but I don't think so. I just can put all my addresses in. I just finished doing that recently, so I should know, but I don't remember what happened 10 minutes ago. Anyway, the next person who won is Michelle, You and Me God. Michelle, I know that you'll be excited. You won, which one is this one? Bow Bunny. The whole thing, you get the 6x6 and the ephemera stuff and brads and stuff, just like all the other ones. They come with ephemera and other stuff. And so yeah, so I like to make sure, I wanted to make sure they were all nice and full, but collections, I don't know. I'm weird that way, you know that, by the way I place everything. So, okay, the next winner is Rhonda Hancock. Rhonda, you're the winner. Congratulations. You won the Maggie Holmes Gather and Gather ephemera, and something else is in there. I think it might be for Puppy Hearts. I cannot be sure. But yay, Rhonda, you won. Congratulations. And finally, Michelle Make It Up, you won the last prize, which is the authentic 8x8 pad and a bunch of embellishments and things that I had that go with collection I don't have paper for. But I thought that looked really good with this paper. So yay, Michelle Make It Up, as opposed to the other Michelle, You and Me God. So Michelle Make It Up, Michelle You and Me God. You both won, so congratulations to you all. Okay. enough said. I'm starting to get kooky. So I'm so happy for all of you that won, and I want to thank all of you who left me a comment. You guys are just so awesome, and I'm so grateful that you're part of my channel, because you all mean a lot to me, and I hope you know that, because you are awesome. You're awesome because you're here. I want you to look around and say to yourself, hey, I'm the most awesome person here, because you are. And that's it. So get me your addresses in a week, and I will give away, mail away your prize to you. So that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Stay awesome, everyone. Congratulations again. Bye.